Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Switchyard, a new high-performance LLM serving backend from the NVIDIA-NeMo team. Written in Rust for maximum speed and safety, it's designed to efficiently manage and route requests across multiple AI models. Its explosive growth shows just how critical this problem is for the AI community. How can a company use more large language models, but at the same time actually reduce its costs and complexity? That might sound counterintuitive, but it's a question at the very heart of the fast-growing LLM ecosystem. As developers struggle with a messy landscape of competing APIs, one project from NVIDIA-NeMo is offering a compelling and systematic answer. That project is called Switchyard. At its core, it's a proxy and a library written in Rust. It's designed to intelligently route traffic between different large language model providers and even self-hosted models. And it's been getting a lot of attention lately, racking up over 800 stars, with more than 400 of those added in just a single day. This kind of surge in interest really shows that it's solving a major, timely problem for anyone building with AI. The core problem it's tackling is API fragmentation. Think about it. An application built to use OpenAI's API can't just switch over to a model from Anthropic without major code changes. That's because each provider has its own unique API format. These formats are essentially the specific rules for how software communicates. Before tools like Switchyard came along, developers were stuck writing fragile, custom code just to manage multiple models. This was not only inefficient, but also a nightmare to maintain. It led to vendor lock-in and made it hard to experiment. Switchyard's unique angle is to be a universal translator and a traffic controller, sitting right between an application and the diverse world of LLM backends. So, let's look at the architecture. Switchyard is a modular proxy built from the ground up for high performance. It works as an intelligent intermediary. A request comes in, let's say, in the OpenAI API format. Switchyard receives it. Its core library, Switchyard libc, then applies a routing rule to decide where it should go. Once a destination is picked, a translation module converts the request into the native format for that target model, whether that's Anthropic or an open source model running on vLLM. The whole thing is powered by Rust, which was chosen for its memory safety and speed, both critical for a service that has to handle every single request. Two technical features really stand out here. First, there's its protocol translation. This isn't just about simple field mapping. It handles deep structural differences in how various models process messages and tool calls. Second is its suite of intelligent routing algorithms. One strategy, called the LLM classifier, is fascinating. It actually uses a smaller, faster AI to look at an incoming request and decide if it needs a powerful, expensive model or if a cheaper one can get the job done. It's literally like using an AI to manage your other AIs. So, what does this look like in the real world? The benefits are very tangible. For example, an MLOps team could use Switchyard to run A/B tests, easily splitting live traffic between two different models to compare their cost and quality. Developers could set up an escalation strategy where a request first goes to a low-cost model. Only if that result isn't good enough is it escalated to a more premium model. This approach optimizes for both cost and performance. The system also builds in resilience. If one model provider has an outage, Switchyard can automatically reroute all traffic to a backup, making sure the end user's application stays up and running. The community feedback so far seems to be cautiously optimistic. On one hand, people are praising the project's elegant architecture and its proven ability to cut costs in benchmarks. But on the other hand, the primary concern is its maturity. The project is very clearly labeled as pre-alpha and experimental. That means its APIs are likely to change, which makes it a risky choice for production systems. For now, it seems most developers are using it for evaluation and prototyping, not for live deployment. But there's a flip side to all this power. The project's main risk is actually tied to its most advanced features. The very same intelligent routing that makes it so powerful also introduces new kinds of complexity. For instance, that LLM-based classifier adds another network call. That means more latency and another potential point of failure. If the routing model itself is slow, it could wipe out any performance gains. And what's more, state-dependent strategies like the stage router can complicate things in modern, horizontally scaled environments. Despite these challenges, its potential as a unified control plane for all LLM operations is undeniable. In the end, Switchyard is much more than just a proxy. It's an intelligent orchestration layer for a world that will be running on multiple models. It offers a strategic answer to the growing chaos of the LLM market. It provides a clear path toward a future where managing a diverse portfolio of AI models becomes a systematic, automated process.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.